Hey guys, this is Brian Jump. This is our Mercedes-Benz hail repair savings episode. So another example of how we've been able to slash customer expenditures and time. Team at Dentco here in Laguna Hills, California have helped Catherine and her husband with their 2020 Mercedes GLE. They came to us about a month ago, insurance claim, and they wanted to use insurance, and they had already been to Caliber. Caliber was about $25,000 to repair the car. They had a sizable deductible, and it was going to be about 3 weeks. Oh, and yeah, by the way, Catherine and family, we're going to be repainting your entire car, which is so egregious in 2024. Paintless dent repair has been full-fledged in the hail repair industry with insurance for a good solid 2 decades, if not longer. So why Caliber wanted to paint it? I can only imagine, A, they didn't have, here in California, they didn't have access to good quality paintless dent repair technicians like they do in the Midwest where the hail repair is prevalent, or they were going to make more money by painting it. So who's important in this mathematical equation? You, the customer, aka Catherine, or Caliber and the coffers? Well, obviously we know. So afterwards, Catherine came to us and said, hey, what can you do for us? I said, this is not a problem. This is paintless dent repair. You have a couple parts, you have a cracked taillight, you have a couple moldings. We'll take care of this. And oh, by the way, here's a couple things we'll do that maybe Caliber wasn't going to do for you. Number one, we're going to pay for your deductible, so you won't have to pay us a cent. It'll be free to have your car repaired. They loved that, obviously, save them $1,000 there. And then number two, you don't have rental car in your insurance? Oh, that's a shame. Was Caliber going to give you a rental? No. For a $25,000 repair, I was shocked. I'm like, they're not going to provide a rental. No, they said they wouldn't. Okay, we got you covered. We're going to cover your rental too. So how long will the repair be, Brian? About 1 to 2 weeks. Ended up taking 5 business days. Okay, 5 business days, retain the factory paint, no deductible, no rental car expenditure for the insured. That's a pretty good deal. I don't know if anybody's taking notes with their little calculator right now, but we saved them the $1,000 plus the time. And oh, by the way, here's the elephant that's in the room right over here. Their loss of value on that car, which they own. They're not leasing. They're not making payments on it. They own the car. If it was a lease, it wouldn't matter. It'd be, it's Mercedes Financial's problem, right? So what basically is happening, our camera went crooked here. What basically is happening is roughly 60 to 70% of the value of that car will be gone if they repaint it. So that's roughly about $20,000 to $25,000. Poof, instantly gone once the paint's been ground off and resprayed with a substandard paint. And it comes with a 6-year warranty. So I think we did the right thing, don't you? Factory paint, didn't pay a deductible, didn't pay up for a rental car, and they have their car back in their hands, keys back in their hands in 1 week, 5 business days. That's why you choose Dentco. Thanks for listening.